fixing these beams and looking at the gaps in the ceilings, we can find all the areas where all the corners were cut in the previous crew that was here. Sealing the drywall and the beams or the gaps, literally just cut every corner possible by shoving garbage. This paper, and then tape, and then plastic, all this other garbage on the floor, shoved it in between the beams and the drywall, and then used caulking to hide it all. So we got called in to fix it because the gaps are exposed again. And now what we're doing is we're pulling all the garbage out, and we use the appropriate materials to go ahead and seal all the holes, all the caulking, and then repaint and drywall patch, or drywall patch and then repaint. So protecting our client's property is extremely important. We take great care to cover the floors or any furniture, really anything that needs to be protected, countertops or cabinets, just to ensure that when we're done with a project and completed and moving out, that we leave nothing damaged, no scratches, everything should be perfect when we walk away.